We don't all need the same routine or trading pre-market checklist. Find what works for you. This can start all the way from when you go to sleep, I'm in bed by 10 to be up for 6 or earlier, and go till you close down your computer after you have done your post-market analysis. Right now, let's talk about pre-market checklist that you have to cover your basics. This is a 10-point list. You may not need all of them, but review each and see if it could benefit you as a pre-trading checklist. Check any outstanding positions. This is the first on the list because if there's been a problem overnight, this may take up more than enough attention throughout the day. Check your open positions to make sure they are within acceptable parameters. If you are trading stocks, pre-market trading may already be affecting your position. I'm always mindful to watch what has happened in the markets I am currently holding a position in. In my post-market analysis, I already knew that I had until the next day until anything big would need my attention. But there can always be unforeseen spikes or dips in the market due to unforeseen news or events around the world. What is happening today? Is there a Fed announcement today? Are there any important energies announcements? Is one country's debt rating being downgraded? Are there any announcements for the stock that I hold today? Are there any announcements for the stock, futures, forex market that I will hold at any point during the day? These are key questions you have to know to prevent unexpected and preventable losses. You're being aware of the market. You know what to expect. This reduces the possibility of unforeseen jumps that can cause you distress. Just like checking your route before a long trip, you are mapping out what you expect to encounter throughout the day. This is for futures traders who have to deal with rollover dates. Are my contracts on both my charting platform and my broker platform up to date and synced? An easy check for this is to see if you have proper volume for the market you are trading. When the volume on your market is looking thin, open the forward contract and see if its volume is better. Some markets have set rollover dates, while others can vary by a number of days. Know your market and its important dates. Another option is to use continuous contracts. These can be set up in your individual charting platforms and automatically roll the contract for you. Unfortunately, many of these you are not able to trade reliably as a computer is doing the rollover to a new contract for you. Check your broker for what contract is currently being traded. What was the range my stock, commodity, forex cross traded in yesterday? This lets you understand if the market is entering into a time of consolidation or if there's a lot of volatility. Both can affect how you plan your trade for the day and where the opportunities can arise. On days when you haven't broken the high and low of the previous day, there can be consolidation. Both bears and bulls are waiting for the market to make a move. Knowing the average range your market trades in will help you as well. If you know on average it moves 15 points a day, then a series of 4 days where it's traded with a range of 5 means that the market is consolidating. The market that, in the previous day, had double or triple the amount of volatility can often have continued volatility in the current day. What was the high, low, and close of the previous day? These are levels to watch, and if you're like me, have marked on your charts to see levels of possible resistance or support. The big money traders are always watching the close of each day, and often trying to affect it by pushing it up, making the market look like it has more strength than it actually does. Are we near any historical points? The market may show excessive resistance when breaking historic levels or long-standing lows or highs. These levels are important when they are broken, as many traders will keep their stops below or above them. When the previous high or low is broken, the market can run through these stop levels, creating a surge of buying or selling. Check your trading plan to refresh your trading strategy in your mind. This will solidify how you plan to trade for the day and be part of your regular routine, keeping you on track. Are you okay to trade? If you are sick, this is not a job you can just power through. I ask myself this: would I feel comfortable working in my current state if I knew my decisions could hurt someone in the workplace, like a surgeon or a pilot? If the answer is no, then your financial health shouldn't be at risk. Take the day off and get better for tomorrow. Are you focused to trade? Are you set up to avoid any kind of distractions that would affect your concentration on the markets? Remove the daily distractions like vibrating phone, social media, and the host of things that you can do on your computer. When trading, focus is key to make actionable decisions that, when you review them at the end of the day, can be reasoned out for using sound logic. Plan your day. How many hours will I trade? What markets will I be watching today? Etc. Have your day, I like to do this on paper, sitting right in front of you to remove variables. It creates structure and confidence in your mind. Now this list of 10 may seem huge, but it really boils down to using what works for you. The most important thing is to check for anything in the markets that may affect you and plan your day around it. If there are two big announcements today in your favorite market, possibly today is the best to stand on the sidelines so you don't gather too much slippage entering and exiting trades. Most of these will become automatic for you as you gain skill as a trader. When you drive your car, are you really thinking about checking before you merge? No, it's simply what you do. If I gave you a checklist of everything you do before you go on a road trip, I can guarantee it would be more than 10. You probably cycle through more songs on the radio before you're ready to get driving. The key with pre-market checklists is to prepare yourself and minimize possible damages to your account throughout the day. Believe me, it pays to know what the market has in store for the day.